Good morning, y'all. So today we're headed to the Illiminate meet. I got errands to run before. It is 9:48. It starts at 11. I'm still waiting for Christian, and he kind of woke up late. It's not his fault. But I gotta go run some errands, pick my mom up some food, drop it off at her office. And then after that, we should be headed to the meet. So, still gotta get gas too. I don't like running on half a tank because of how I drive. So I will see you guys when we pick up the food. Okay guys, we are picking up the food. I just ordered. Picking up the food. We're over at Wendy's. Waiting in this line. Driving line. So long. Not really, it's just 2 cars, but oh well. Then we gotta go and get gas, and then we gotta pick up Christian, and then we gotta head to the meet. It is 10 o'clock right now. I don't know why, but I just like being early. That's just me. But I don't know, I just don't like being late. I want to get like the full experience or something. Alright guys, we just dropped off my mom's food for her and her workers. I'm headed back home so I can pick up Christian, meet him there. Then we'll start heading to the meet. Get in, hurry up. This guy taking his time. Hello, Christian.
Yeah.
How you been?
I've been alright. This is from when I was in Texas.
Oh wait, what is it?
You gotta look at it.
Oh no. I can't believe you were on the other side of town.
Shut up. Don't put that in the vlog.
I'm putting it in the vlog.
Why?
I don't know.
What do you get from VIPs?
Some stuff. I don't know.
You guys, I honestly didn't think this many people would show up for us, but this is what makes me want to work so much harder, and I just wanted to say thank you. Let's have a good time, and give me more beer! Let's go! Round of applause, guys, for everybody working hard today. What is that? Look at it! What is that? Everybody round of applause for all the hard workers that made today possible.
Yeah.
What's good, Christian? How you been?
What do you think so far?
Huh?
What do you think so far?
Well, I've done nothing but sit in this line. I've been trying to ride that bull and someone else, but other than that, it's not bad.
Randy's gonna ride the bull.
Alright, Randy, let's see this. I'm gonna start making fun of him right quick, okay? Randy, you got 10 seconds. If you don't hold on to it for 10 seconds, he said you ain't gonna last 10 seconds. 2 seconds, alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, 1, 2. Alright, he said it. 2 seconds. Stick, I'll let you drive the 34. Easy.
That's a nigga with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my accountant lips. In fact, I'm down in this.
Mr. Mechanical Bull, you don't have to go too crazy. If he got it, he got it. If he don't got it, he don't got it. We're hey, we'll do 3 times. 3 times. Like, not him 3 times, but 3 different people. Is that cool? Alright, ready? But hey, but don't go easy on him. Don't go easy on him. You! Yeah! I see you screaming back there, bro. He's gonna give me a good reaction for this video. Hey. Yeah, take your shoes off. Yeah, and you take your shirt off too. I'm kidding. Hey, I got high hopes for you. Oh, fuck. Oh, it's going crazy. Raise the hand. Everybody, ready? Hey, give it up for the homie. 3. Wait. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, he's slipping. Hey, the judges said 2 hands. Disqualified. You guys pick the next person. Who wants to go? He's under 18. We can't make the little kid. Hey, if you guys really want to go, raise your hand right now. I want to see someone do a kickflip. The guy with the hat over there. You right there. Let's go. He's coming. All right, hey, we got high hopes for you. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! He made it. Let's go. I guess we're making a vlog, guys. Hey, come up here. Hey, we're gonna get your contact information. You're from San Jose, right? Hey, what's your name, bro?
My name's Nathan Serrano from Vallejo, California.
You're gonna need to drive back here and we'll make a vlog, bro. Congratulations. Everybody, round of applause! Do you know how to drive stick? Oh yeah, I got a kegger, bro. Come on. All right, bro, we're gonna let him drive the 34 as well. Hopefully he doesn't crash and kill us on the ride. Let's get it. Thank you, guys.
Bro, oh my God, bro. Hey, he's a guy you gotta worry about.
How's it going? I gotta go take a piss, but I got a little bit of time to go fucking take a piss.
No, I'm not washing my hands ever again.
Jack off with this hand.
You're right.
For the vlog. Tell them to sign your ball.
My what?
Tell them to sign your ball.
My balls? It'd be an honor if you could sniff my balls.
Or you could sniff his.
Hey, be careful with this little box.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm scared of. Oh my God, we gotta sign my KJ.
Wait.
Oh my God. I'm gonna cream.
You're gonna go. He's like, alright. Andy's always like, hey, Luke's gonna wire my shit.
That's me with you guys. Alright, so they're working on my stuff today.
I know.
See what I did?
Oh, shit.
Fucking go.
Ain't no way!
Nice to meet you. We out here at the pub, Bob. How you doing today?
Pretty good. Dude, I watched you since for like 4 years with me and my girlfriend. We've been watching you for a long time.
Thank you. I watch myself every day too. I
piece to my Nismo. Do whatever you want with it.
Yeah, I'll crash that shit. You ready for a photo?
So about who is his quote-unquote cousin that he brought into his videos, and he was like, oh fuck, I think he said Lotaki.
Chair.
Can you believe it's a chair?
That's a chair.
That's
Yeah.
Dude, it's like a perk to be short if you want to use this thing.
Yes, sir. I can't believe I got the fucking lawn chair though.
Yeah, you got a
That's
lawn chair,
crazy.
dude. Oh, you should have made it so in the fucking cover like.
Oh yeah, shit. Ah, oh well.
I'm not waiting in line again. The fuck.
No, next time when I get big.
Yeah.
We got this. We got this, boy.
I've seen you big.
Oh man, check the prelude. Check the Integra. What you gonna do? Dude, that vest looks fucking
Sick,
Yeah,
right?
nice.
God damn. Let's go over here. Let's come. Oh, we got the Camry on back. I think. God damn. Shit low. Oh shit, super. I think it was me, Drew, and Coda. Oh wait, no, you know them.
Yeah, I
me,
know
Drew,
them.
and Coda. We came here, someone got shot, and then they closed down this entire road.
Okay, so why are we going here? It's Chris.
What do you mean? No, someone got shot in the dorms.
Oh, next to the church.
Oh, man, quick way to get into her. We'll pray for you. Come on, guys. Christian's taking a picture. Alright, bend over.
Wait, look, ready?
Yeah. Oh my god. Alright, let's go order. Alright, I got the nachos, the best burrito. What'd you get, Juan?
That's burrito.
Christian's still waiting for his food, and Anthony's still waiting for his food. But food's pretty good.
That is.
Is it actual?
Yeah.
What? Meat's over? It's not even 7 yet. Oh man, we didn't see how they buy the cars. Oh.
The car's still here.
So you guys pretty sure thinking, okay,
Oh, is it different?
if you guys really want to ask any questions at all, right now would be the best time. If you guys want to do YouTube, if you guys have questions on how right my blood hole is,
What?
joking. Wait. Come on through. I see you smiling. I don't want to know how big it is, but you might. If anybody has any questions right now would be the only time, so let's get it. Come on through. You want to see the magic show? Get over it. Get over it. Hey, we're gonna start this off with a little magic show. Kelvin, get over here. Do you have any magic tricks? Alright, we're gonna need one girl to come to the stage right now. Get over here. You ready? The cards?
There's Daddy.
Tell me when to stop. You sure?
Look at the drive-by. Yo. Can I get your argument? Yo, you got the Illiminate merch?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Dude,
Oh.
I just saw someone else that in there. Yeah, I don't know how to say his fucking name. Oh yeah, Illiminate Super across the street.
Oh.
I forgot who owns it, but
Mark
it's someone,
5.
it's someone in their group that owns it. Yes, sir.
The Nissan Sentra.
Wait, is that the... It's a Nismo Nissan Sentra. What the fuck? There's no fucking way. The Nismo Sentra right there. Dude, it is a Nismo Sentra. What do you have to say about that?
I just came 3 times today. Let's just say I'm soaked.
Pretty easy. Just throw it in the passenger seat.
What?
All right, we'll see you guys in the car, right, Christian?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
It's Supra. Okay, we're ending the day, getting gas. I saw someone else in the bathroom. Didn't close the door, I walked in on him, but I know who that is. Bro.
Say his name.
I don't know how to say his name. Tucci. Bro, I think his name's Eric. Bro, lock the door. What the fuck, my guy?
I understand his motive. I understand.
What, does he just want to see the world burn or something? He wants me to see his cock?
Like, he was taking a piss in the stall. It didn't really need, you know, he didn't have his pants all the way down, right?
Yes. I mean, if he had booty cheeks, bro, I swear to God, I would have smacked it. Today was pretty fun. It was exciting. I got to meet Randy, Kevin Jude, everyone in the squad. It was exciting. I was so nervous. I'm gonna be honest, I was really nervous. But it just motivated me to put out more content this year, try to get like them, and just try to like be something big this year. I don't know. I'm keeping my goals low for this year, so we're gonna be hit 1,000 by the end of the year. I hope so. I'm gonna try my ass off this year, and we'll see where we head. If you guys like the video, like, comment, sub. I really do appreciate if you guys share. Christian, you want to add anything?
You mean my outro?
Your outro? Okay, play your outro.
He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He was chubby and plump, a right jolly old elf, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. A wink of his eye and a twist of his head soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word but went straight to his work and filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk, and laying his finger aside of his nose and giving a nod, up the chimney he rose. He sprung to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim, ere he drove out of sight, "Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night."